What if birds evolved in a lava-filled world? In a world where lava flows like rivers, only the toughest creatures survive. Birds, they'd look very different. Feathers wouldn't work here, they'd burn up instantly. Instead, think scales like obsidian or metallic heat shields. Wings? Maybe glider membranes instead, like bats, to ride thermals from eruptions. Nests carved into cooled lava tubes, warm but safe. They'd likely see in infrared, spotting prey by body heat. Their calls? Maybe ultrasonic screeches to echo through magma vents. Nature adapts. Even in a world of fire, life finds a way. What would you call them? Lava wings? Magma hawks? Like and subscribe for more animal what-ifs.